Hi guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so today we have some spoilers for the Yas May box. We also have the box value, and we're just going to go ahead and spit them out. Don't want to keep y'all here too long. And guys, don't forget, if you want to subscribe to Yes, I do have a code for you to save 10% off of your first box. The code is SelfTaught Beauty, and that is in all caps. You get 10% off of your first box. I get a little commission. It's a win-win for both of us, guys. The value of the box for May is going to be over $85. That's a really good deal, especially for $14.99. And then I'm going to show you a spoiler. Now, they did show this on their Instagram. This is the Masquerade Beauty Sheet Masks. And there's 4 different kinds here, and it does ask under the post which one you think you're going to get. So we know we're going to get one of these masks in there. So we'll go over the masks. One of them is I Don't Want to Grow Up. The next one is Pre-Party Prep. Then there is Detox Diva. And then there is Beauty Restore. Restore. I like that instead of Restore. Restore. Get it? That's kind of cute. Anyways, guys, I'll quit messing with y'all. And there was also a teaser on their Instagram. Now, it does show this picture, and this is the Beauty Creations Splash of Hues palette. Oh my gosh, this is so fun, guys. But it asks if you want it. So I don't know if this is going to be in May's box, if it's a future spoiler. I'm thinking May. I don't know. We'll have to see. Guess we're waiting on the confirmation, but I did want to show you that teaser because we know we're going to be getting that in a future box. So anyways, guys, that is all the information I have for you today. Make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Doesn't really matter, just as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And one more tiny thing before you guys leave. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.